What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money selling other people's products, specifically with Clickbank, okay? But before I get into the content, welcome to my channel if you're not a subscriber. And if you're not, go ahead, subscribe right now, hit the notification bell because I'm coming out with consistent content, teaching you how to live the life that you want to live. Go where you want to go, do what you want to do without having to worry about paying for bills and not having to worry about waking up at 8 o'clock in the morning to go to your 9 to 5 job, right? So go ahead, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, all right, guys? So, how can you make money selling other people's products? This tactic and strategy, business model, or what have you, is basically about affiliate marketing. Yes, you can be a salesman for furniture stores, car dealerships, or wherever you want to, but you want to be able to make money selling other people's products passively. And affiliate marketing can do just that for you, okay? At any time in this video, if you want to learn step by step in detail how to succeed in affiliate marketing, check out the first link in the description, all right? But today I'm going to show you high level how you can do it and you can get started today. It's not hard, but at the same time, it's not easy. As long as you take action and be consistent with that action, you'll get results. All right. So with affiliate marketing, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, just a brief overview. Affiliate marketing is when someone else has a product that meets a need of an audience, and you, as an affiliate marketer, is the middleman. You are the person that connects that product with the audience who needs it and make a commission when they make a sale or when they buy that product that you're promoting. Okay. So that's exactly what we're doing. Selling other people's products and making money and a profit off of it. Okay. Don't forget, go ahead and subscribe. And if you find any value in this video, go ahead and like this video and comment below what you think about affiliate marketing. If you're using it, how much money you've made in it. Let's go. All right, so here's my YouTube channel. We have finally reached 103 subscribers, and I'm ecstatic. I'm awesome. I'm just so happy right now. My fiance actually, as a congratulations for reaching the 100 subscribers. If you probably can tell with my video quality, she bought me a Logitech webcam. It's HD 1080p. It is amazing, and I'm just loving it. I'm feeling myself right now in this video. Anyway. So thank you guys for the support. I appreciate it. Let's continue to grow. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Let's continue to grow. I'm trying to reach that 1,000 subscriber mark, and we're going to get there with your help. All right. But with affiliate marketing, so the marketplace that I'm going to use is Clickbank, right? Clickbank is a marketplace where affiliate marketers like myself, and if you're not already an affiliate marketer, hopefully you'll become one, can go on Clickbank and find products that other people have made and promote them to the audience that needs that product and make money off of that. All right. So in Clickbank, you can go ahead and sign up. It's free to sign up. Don't worry about any kind of scammy stuff. Only thing that might be scammy is certain products. So when I go ahead and pick and show you some products, keep in mind it's up to you, and it's your job to do the due diligence in researching that product and making sure it's legit and not scamming, because you don't want to promote a product that is not good and that's a scam to your audience. Because if you promote a bad product, then that audience will not follow you in the long run. And that's what we want to do. We want to promote products to an audience, but we also to make extra income, which that first link will teach you about. We want to be able to grow a brand affiliate marketing business so that we will grow a following and then can reach out to those followers consistently, offer them value, and then promote other products to them and make even better commission. Okay. But with Clickbank, so you have a lot of categories. You have arts, entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, education, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, e-business, e-marketing, self-help, a lot. So you want to pick something that you are passionate about somewhat, okay? And if you're not, the three golden niches or categories to get into are health, wealth, and relationships, okay? I'm in the wealth niche. Maybe you can be in the wealth niche. Maybe you have some expertise about relationships. Maybe you have some health expertise, whatever you're passionate about and have some knowledge about, that's usually what you want to gravitate towards. Okay. So let's go and pick one of the categories. I'm going to pick green products today for this example. So we pick one of the categories, and then we can sort by gravity. Gravity says how often has this product sold and converted for other affiliate marketers within the month, right? And so the higher gravity score, the better. So let's say we pick this product, Power Efficiency Guide. I'm going to open up the sales page. And this is the sales page that if you were to promote this product to a specific audience, this is what this audience will see. So you want to go through this video. They have a opt out, opting out, or whatever you call it. I forgot what you call it. Anyway, they will see this page, this sales page, this video. This is very elementary to me, but let's say for purposes of this video, we're going to choose this product. I wouldn't promote this one, but you need to find your product that best suits you and that you think will be better gravitate towards that audience. But here's a product. We want to look through it, see what it's all about, maybe go to the video so they can tell you some more about it. And then after you find out this is a good product, you can go to this affiliate page, and on the affiliate page, it should have a lot of tools, resources for you to promote this product, like images and email swipes. It goes over the affiliate commission bonus program. So you click here for resources. I probably have to put my information in, but I don't want to promote this product. So let's see what they do. Okay, get your affiliate links to refer to sales. Here's some email swipes down here. See? So if you already have a list, or if you want to buy a solo ad from Udemy, you can give them this content for this email swipe with your links. Your links will already be, once you get the link, it will already be populated in their link and their links that they offer you. Swipe 2. So all they have are some swipes here. Not any banner ads. Some products have banner ads, images and stuff that you can promote even heavier. But after you do that, after you find the product, you'll go to promote. Okay, and generate hop links. And then this will be your link to promote to your audience. This is the link you want your audience to grab when you promote this offer. And then once they buy that product, that link is tied to you and you get that commission. Okay. So that is a high level, very high level on how you can make money in selling other people's products. Right. You can also use Amazon, Amazon Associates, also JVZoo. There's a lot of options that you can go out here and pick different products and make money and promote them. Not your own, not you didn't create them, but someone else created them, and you can make passive income from them, guys. You can make a lot of money from this. So I didn't go over traffic. You can, if you want to know about traffic, also click the link out in the description. They'll give you detailed one-on-one level, beginner level information to help you get started today. Okay. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Look, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below if it's offered you some value. I'll see you guys on the next go round.